Hello everyone, my name is Ajibola Akamo and this is Crypto on the Go. Crypto on the Go is where I give you guys a summary of what has happened in the world of cryptocurrencies for the week. And please, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's very, very important to keep the engagement going. So please subscribe to our YouTube channels before we go on. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is Bitcoin. On the 26th of November, Bitcoin crashed from $59,000 to $4,000, losing $5,000 just within space of hours. And that is very, very big. What caused this crash? There is news in South Africa, Botswana, and also Hong Kong of a new COVID-19 strain whereby many experts are saying that it's resistant to the vaccine. So there's a lot of panic in the market and investors are trying to sell off and show off their positions. And not just Bitcoin, all coins, and even the US market. Pre-market, the US market is down, the Asian market is down, the European market is down. Everybody is getting a taste of this. Even though oil market is down, oil is down about 6% today already because of this news. So everybody's bearing the brunt of this COVID-19 strain. And it kind of, takes me back to March, April 2020, when everybody was panic selling as a result of the COVID-19 virus, when it first hit, the first ever wave of the virus. So after that, we have some other news that happened. First off is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn gaming model that is on the Ethereum blockchain, whereby players will come on the platform, play the game, and earn tokens as a reward for spending time or playing the game on the platform. So yesterday, Axie Infinity announced that a virtual land called a Genesis land was sold for $2.4 million. Wow. $2.4 million going for a virtual land, literally a land on the internet. I mean, I think everybody needs to start paying attention to the metaverse and the play to earn industry, as a lot of people are definitely, as what I just said, definitely investing in the space, and that is absolutely crazy. That is outstanding. Another thing I would like to talk about is Ripple. So the CEO of Ripple went on CNBC and said that he believes that the Ripple case will be concluded in the early parts of 2022. He said that the case with the SEC is going very well, and he's hoping that everything is going to be concluded in the early parts of 2022. Ripple are the creators of the XRP token, and currently, as a result of this market dip, Ripple has actually fallen below $1. I think it's trading around 93 cents as of the time of this recording. Next is, we're talking about Davido. Davido took to social media during the week to announce the launch of a social token called Ichoke. I think everybody has used that phrase, Ichoke, for one thing or another, when you're trying to just with your friends and, they say something outlandish, and then you're like, Ichoke. So yeah, Davido said that the token is the reason why I released the token and the reason why it's a social token is to improve fan engagement. And I think they are going to, and the way the token is going to be distributed is through giveaways. They are not going to issue any tokens for sale, and they're just going to be issuing out the tokens to fans based on giveaways. And I think that should start before the end of the month. Aside from this, I have my final news for you to take away is El Salvador. In September, El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender. And since then, the president has more or less been an avid believer, going on Twitter, talking about Bitcoin and what Bitcoin has done for the society of El Salvador, being the fact that the nation invested in Bitcoin less than $30,000, and now Bitcoin traded as high as $69,000. In fact, they've used some of their Bitcoin profits to build a pet hospital and also helped in some other infrastructural projects that they've been doing in El Salvador. So during Bitcoin week, the president of El Salvador, Nayib Bukele, actually went to announce the creation of a Bitcoin city. And one of the major perks, or the perks of the Bitcoin city, according to the president, is that the city will have no income tax, no property tax, no capital gain tax, and no payroll tax. So imagine you're living in Bitcoin City, where Bitcoin is the legal tender in the city, of course, and then you don't have to pay any of these taxes. That's actually fantastic, right? So now we're moving on to the buy, sell, and hold section. And again, don't forget, subscribe to YouTube. Don't just skip this video and then think that you're not going to subscribe to our YouTube. Go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So first thing is our buy. So right now, because of Bitcoin is down, all other altcoins are down over 10% or more. And this is literally discount. This is a Black Friday sale in the cryptocurrency market right now. And I think you guys should go on and go and buy the dip. Now, the first coin I'm going to be recommending is Chainlink. The next one is Cardano's ADA and Sandbox Sand token. So please, you guys, I want you to look at these tokens as I am recommending them for a buy, and let me know what you think. For my hold, of course, I've been talking about Polkadot for the longest time, and I would say you guys should hold on to Polkadot. Their parachain slot auction is still ongoing. I think the second auction is concluded, that the third auction starts immediately. So definitely hold on to your DOT token, hold on to your XRP token. As I mentioned earlier, the case is coming to an end early 2022. And when that happens, I'm expecting a price explosion on XRP. And for myself, of course, you guys will say that I am sounding like a broken record, right? But please sell your meme coins. Get rid of all of them. Your Dogecoin, your Shiba Inu, get rid of them. I'm not advising anybody to buy meme coins. I think maybe it's because, I'm coming from a traditional finance perspective and I do not necessarily like to invest in things without fundamentals, right? So please sell your meme coins, buy things that have good fundamentals, projects that have working use cases that are helping. So again, I think this comes to the end of the show. Let me guys know what you think about my recommendations. Also comment your own recommendations because I want to know what you guys are looking at. I'm not an island. There are over 10,000 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, so I don't really know everything, right? So please tell me 100% what are your recommendations. If you agree with my recommendations, if you disagree with them, I'll engage you guys, I'll comment, and we'll have a conversation, right? So let me know. And again, go and subscribe to YouTube. Yes, you. Don't skip this. Go out on our YouTube page and subscribe. I keep saying this. I've said it 3 times now. Go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, guys. Thank you. My name is Ajibola Akamo again, and have a lovely day.